Okay guys, panibagong umaga, panibagong ratratan. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Sana makayari tayo. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Bogs In and Out of the Kitchen. At sa matagal na namin kasama mula pa noon, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. At kung bago kayo rito sa channel namin, welcome home family. Ten years ago, nag-upisa ang lahat sa isang simpleng pangarap. Pangarap na makapag-share ng pagkaing Pilipino. Saka syempre, importante sa lahat, yung may maibigay ako sa pamilya ko. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Saka syempre, yung may share natin yung at least a little taste of home, di ba? Matikman nila yung pagkain na Kuya Bogs yung story.
Saan nakitira? Sa Pinas?
Manila.
Manila. Sa Manila, ano?
Caloocan.
Caloocan? Sige. Okay. To J. Bogs, we have provided the great catering for us. Thanks, Eric, for finding the right team. I'll tell you, I think y'all are, you got the food truck over there, right?
Yes, sir.
Ang sarap. Ang lahat. Ang lahat, diba? Okay, sige.
I mean,
Okay.
10% discount.
Hey, on behalf of First Special Forces Group, please do accept this token of our whiskey, right? I know it's not Tanduay. Sarap naman, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, sige. Hey, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Kahit ako, hindi ko inaakala kung saan tayo dadalhin itong pakikipagsapalaran na to. Pero nung nagtulong kami mag-asawa, hindi natin na-expect na marami tayong taong makikilala. Marami tayong kwentong maririnig at saka marami tayong alaala na mabubuo dito sa food truck na to. Sa bawat order, sa bawat customer, sa bawat araw na nandito kami, yun na, nakasama na kayo sa kwento ng buhay namin.
Think you got it all mapped out. Sounds so self-assured. Sounds so self-assured.
Good morning again. A.E. Eliza and Eliza. Ayan, at saka si B, ang kuyang Bogs nyo. Ayan.
World make your dreams come true. What a shame. I fooled you twice. Bet you think you know it all. Think you had your back against the wall. Now it's time to get your pay. Never have another rainy day. What a shame. I fooled you twice. You never get it, them chopping waters. The sailing from